Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey with Meat and Potatoes Organizing, and today I'm going to talk about getting rid of holiday or Christmas decorations that you no longer want. Just the other day, I actually packed up the last of my Christmas and holiday things I had out. I left them out a little bit longer because I just like the glow and it feels festive in my house for longer than just the 1 month leading up to the holidays. I just took them down. We're now in February. So if you're like me and you're just getting that point where you're taking all of that stuff down, this is a great time to just open up all the Christmas bins. So what I did is I pulled all of my Christmas bins, holiday bins that I had in my basement storage area. I opened them all up and I did just a thorough, ask myself the question, like, did I use this last year? Would I ever use this again? Is this something that I'm going to use to decorate in the future? And if the answer is no, I started a donation bag and I filled up my donation bag with things that I just don't want to store for another year. I just don't think I'm going to use them again, and there's no sense in, storing them again. So once I got everything out, I put everything away the way that kind of made sense for me. Sealed up those totes and then relabeled them a little bit more specific. Like I have one that says Christmas ornaments, I have some that say Christmas villages, and then I have some that's just basic Christmas decor. So got everything relabeled. So next year I'm super excited when I go to decorate. It's going to be easy to pull out the bins that I need, and I'll have everything that I love to decorate with and nothing that I don't. So if you have not done that yet, now's a great time to do it. If you loathe that job and you don't want to do it, that's where a professional organizer can be a great resource for you. Give us a call. We can do it for you and go through all those items and get your storage room optimized and get you ready for next Christmas. All right. We'll see you next week for another Just the Tip.